Real Leads Finder Pro puts all your online social accounts, chats, messages, emails, and text into one easy-to-navigate dashboard where you can manage them and reply quickly to online lead inquiries that come in from your social media posts, Facebook ads, landing pages, and websites. Within the Real Leads Finder Pro dashboard, our appointment scheduling can play a huge role in capturing leads. Should you miss a call, the automation kicks in and engages your leads, then invites them to schedule a call back with you. The system easily integrates with your Google and Outlook calendars. When discussing available times for listing presentations and showings, you can share your calendar link with your clients, making it easy for them to schedule their availability with you. From your conversation dashboard, you can create opportunities and book appointments. You'll never miss another lead. Posting regularly will build your online following and generate more leads. Real Leads Finder Pro has made that easier than ever before. From your dashboard, you can compose and schedule posts to your social media accounts without ever leaving the system. You'll no longer have to visit each social media account individually, saving you valuable time and effort. Real Leads Finder Pro delivers an all-in-one marketing department right into your hands, so you can exponentially increase your lead conversion rate and close more sales. Here's a quick peek at our email templates that are fully editable, so you can easily brand them for your consistent look throughout your marketing campaign. We also include 30 done-for-you pre-written emails using these templates, so you won't have to start from scratch. As you can see, the system lets you easily preview what your email templates will look like on multiple devices. The real beauty comes in play with our automation system that lets you schedule out your email campaigns based on certain lead behaviors and responses. We provide you with 30 automated workflows to get you started right away. You can easily pull in any of the email templates and done-for-you email campaigns included in the professional and premium subscriptions. In the Real Leads Finder Pro system, you can easily request client reviews and manage your online reputation from your dashboard and free mobile app. Click the link below and see how we can help your real estate business grow.